Hello everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. I drink a lot of tea, I think I've mentioned that before, so I need somewhere to put my tea bag, right? And for me, because my desk is always full of paper, I started putting my tea bags just on a random piece of paper that I pulled out of my printer, and I started noticing how beautiful the patterns were. Right, and so this may look messy to you. I have my cup of tea here, so I drink probably three or four cups of tea. This is my just plain old ginger tea, and so when I'm done with my tea bag, I'll just lay it down and then leave it. And then when the tea bag is almost dry, I'll take it off and clean out the tea leaves, and you know, eventually I probably will use the tea bag itself. But when it's all dry and I've probably put down, I'd say 20 odd tea bags on one piece of paper, let me show you two that are finished, and then I'll show you how I use them. Get rid of this quickly. So you can use regular printer paper, or you can use slightly thicker paper. I've used both. They both work just fine. So this is black tea. This is black vanilla chai. This is probably one of my herbal teas. This will be the ginger because it's got a bit of a greenish tinge. So you get these beautiful, you know, you think of tea stained paper and coffee stained paper, but this is tea bag stained paper, right? And because it stays wet so long, it goes all the way through. So now you've got a double-sided piece of paper with a lot of texture to it as well. This one, I actually dropped some tea and it just went everywhere. And I thought, oh no. And then I thought, well, I'll just keep putting tea bags on it and see what happens. And then I dropped paint on it. Anyway, some black paint. But I kept it because this side is the side, you know, I dropped the teacup on this side. I continued to put the tea bags down and then got this beautiful effect. It's almost like a marbling effect that you get with all this. I call it tea flooding. I think tea flooding is the word that or the phrase that correctly describes this type of paper. So once that's done, because I don't know what I want to do with the originals yet, I've been photocopying them. And you can either photocopy them just on one side, or you can do a double-sided copy. So I decided to do a double-sided on most of them. And now let me show you what I've been doing with how I've been using the paper, the photocopied version of the paper, right? Little mini journal with some inked edges. Obviously I can put more in the front here, maybe a phrase, a sentiment, or just leave it. I kind of like just leaving it for a change. So this is just a little mini journal that I created out of our tea flooding marble paper. And then a butterfly mini booklet also with the paper. And I'll probably want to put some washi sticker down there to hide the staple. And it was a double-sided, so that I have not just a white piece at the back here, but actual tea stain as well, tea bag stain, and then just some dyed paper. So there's those two. I'm sure some of you who've been watching me every week will remember this craft, and I'll put the link for this video in the description below if you want to go and check that out. But this is lovely too, just as sort of corner fold, corner protector, double pocket. I really love that. And if you belong to our Facebook group, last week I put these words, there's one, there's another one from the Facebook Friday freebie. I do a Friday freebie download every Friday. So this is a bit obvious, but anyway, so those are there. It's a private group. If you want to join, the link is in the description below as well. Just please feel free to come and click over there and come and join us. So yes, so there's that one. Then I did a little label I thought that was kind of nice. It could be like a little mini belly band or just a label in a book. I did a bookmark on some eco-dyed paper and then put some rub-on stickers on here, and then a tag / journaling card, also double-sided, with a sentiment and some rub-on stickers. There's actually another rub-on sticker here, but it's very, very faint. I didn't take into consideration how close the colors were. So there are those ideas. Now, I also thought, what if I made a greeting card? That could look really nice as well. So I've pre-prepared a little stack here. I've got some black cardstock that I cut into the shape of a card. I have this lovely little prayer card. I've cut it a little smaller. I buy these at the dollar store. They're gorgeous. They get, let me show you, if you guys are ever, if you have a dollar store near you, you get them in all these different colors. I think this one might actually be my favorite. So really nice to use like this. So I am going to take, I've put some double-sided tape on here because I thought that might help to hurry things up a little bit. I don't want to, and it's also not so messy with all the glue. So I'm going to take this and try to get this mostly, there we go, like that. Get the double-sided tape off here. I just think it's going to make a really nice greeting card. And then I have a little twist for this greeting card that I'll show you in a minute. It came to me just sort of out of the blue. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, not too bad. I got it in the center-ish. Not too bad. Okay, so I have the sentiment, which I'm going to put, it's just a washi sticker. And I'm going to put the washi down, where did I say I was going to put it? A little higher. I think I said I was going to put it a little higher up because I have another little washi. Did I want that one? Or did I want, oh, they're the same. Oh no, I don't want the same. Oh, okay, well let me put this one down and then I wonder if that really is a big deal. Maybe it's not a big deal. I thought I got two different ones, but anyway. That's not a big deal. So I've got my little washi down there. Okay, so it's a little empty maybe in this space. Possibly I could have put something else there. Maybe it's, well, you know what? Now it can be a get well card, or it can be a happy birthday card, or it can be a happy anniversary card. So maybe leaving this space open is not a bad idea. So there we go. We've got the washi down. Now I said there was going to be a bit of a twist. And I just thought, how fun would it be if on the inside of this card I put a coloring in page, and not only are you then giving somebody a card, but you're also giving them a little activity. Oh, I think okay, there we go. I'm stuck. And that one. All right, so let's get this down. And let's hope that I am doing this. I wonder if I maybe go and use the inside fold as my guide. Not exactly, but okay. It's close enough. So this is going to be one of these sort of landscape type cards where it goes like this, like that. So here is my second piece that I'm going to put here, and this is going to be where you're going to write your sentiment to whoever you give the card to. And so we get that off. That's what I love about this teabag flooded marble paper, whatever you want to call it. because it's so versatile, there's so much that I can do with it. I am so skew, it's just not even funny. It's okay. Oh, there's the other one. So I'll hide my goof up with a sticker. Oh man, maybe it's because this thing's skewed. No? Okay, stop excuses. No excuses, Celeste. You just did not put it down straight. Oh, why am I struggling? Oh, there, I got it. Oh, here comes the sun. Man, it poured like crazy this morning. All right, so got my little sticker down. And there we go. So the card is done. Super easy. I did some pre-cutting, obviously, but once the cutting is done, it's just sticking it all onto the card, and you have the most beautiful handmade card to give to somebody, and it's an activity, right? Okay, so we have a card, and we have a mini journal, a tag / journaling card, and there's a bookmark, this cute little label, which also could be a mini belly band, the corner pocket, and page, and then, oh, I'm just making it. Let me scoot this up a little bit. Just making it to show you guys everything that you could do. Now, I didn't use just one page, obviously, to do all of this. I think I used at least sort of 2 of these, 2 photocopy pages. I think I might have used 2.5. But having those originals and keeping them in your stash as masters means that you've got this endless supply of marbled tea bag stained paper. So I hope, guys, this is something that you found interesting, and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.